returns with his kingdom, etc. Watch what happens now. All right, go ahead, read it.
Is Asa, 2 Chronicles 14:16, a preview of Israel's final restoration under Messiah? A super layman response. TL didn't read.
Too long didn't read.
2 Chronicles 14:16 echoes restoration pattern, seeking and blessing. But it is not the fulfillment of Israel's end-time return. It's a partial, failed prototype. It shows the mechanics of blessings and blessing and discipline without reaching the permanent Messiah anchored restoration promised in the prophets.
Okay.
Text observation. 2 Chronicles 14-16 as a cycle. Seek, Lord. Rest, victory. Covenant renewal.